Welcome to Model Horse Tack School. My name is Carrie, and today we're going to do a breast collar. This pattern is found in with my side saddle book. Looks like this. So it goes straight across. It's just totally different version. It's good for the side saddle, not always good for others. So it gives you another piece of tack to make. Okay. So we have the lining. We have a finished piece breast collar. So it's already been edge coated, dyed, tooled, painted, and it even has a finish coat on it. Need a short little buckle strap, and then of course a little strap that goes into that buckle strap. You're going to need two of the tugs. So these are two tug straps, one for each side, and then we need 3 Ds. So I'm going to go ahead and glue the Ds on. There's 3 of them, one on each side, one in the middle. So go ahead and get that glued down. We'll just clamp it. This particular leather kind of needs it. The center one is not really required on this style, but I'll go ahead and put it in there. Some people don't understand that. Outside one, get that down. I made all of these Ds from an 8mm jump ring. You can use whatever size you want. Now, we're going to go ahead and put the center. This is just a piece of leather, then it's got a buckle, and then it's got a hook. And this is for your cinch. Not required on this style, but some people like it, so we always give options here on this channel. Go ahead and put that covering on. Now you could use 4 keepers. Yeah, I'm just trimming that up a little bit. You could use 4 keepers, and then you would have 2 on the cinch and at it up high, and also on the centering. So this is one of the cinch types that you can do that. That's completely up to you. But I'm going to go ahead, put my tugs on, just 2 of them, and then put the keepers. Keepers can be here. It's just a skived piece of leather lace, or you can use like an oval ring or a jump ring. Depending upon the thickness of your, or the width of your leather lace, it could be 5mm to a 6mm. Totally up to you. So we'll go ahead and get the second one done. We're almost done here. Doesn't take that long. Trim off the excess. Make sure it's a sliding keeper. Hold it down just long enough for the glue to set. Okay, so that's kind of what it looks like. I've now put it on the intended saddle, and I'm trimming off the excess. There we go. In this case, it is a Goodnight Western saddle. You can see it there. That's what it looks like right there. So thank you for spending time with me today. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about the channel, and have a great day.